It's Thursday, 6th February, and the markets ended the day on a weaker note. Pharma and IT stocks provided some cushion, but broader market pressure weighed on the indices. Let's break down today's top market highlights. The Nifty ended down by 93 points at 23,603, while the Sensex closed 213 points lower at 78,058. Market breadth leaned negative, with 2,030 shares declining against 1,906 advancing. Pharma, IT, and private banks managed to stay in the green, but FMCG, realty, and consumer durables sectors saw losses of 1 to 2%. Cipla, Adani Ports, Dr. Reddy's Labs, HDFC Life, and Tech Mahindra emerged as the top gainers on the Nifty, showcasing resilience amid a challenging session. On the other hand, Trent, Bharat Electronics, Bharti Airtel, Titan Company, and ONGC led the list of losers, dragging the index lower. The rupee hit a record low of 87.5825 on Thursday, closing at 87.5775, down 0.1%. Persistent outflows and US trade uncertainties made it Asia's worst-performing currency this year. Central bank interventions limited further losses amid rising short bets and dollar demand. NMDC posted a 29% YoY rise in net profit to 1,897 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, with revenue up 21.4% at 6,568 crore rupees. Iron ore revenue grew nearly 20%, while income from pellets and other minerals surged 115%. PBT rose 31% to 2,584 crore rupees. The government holds a 60.79% stake in the iron ore giant. REC Ltd posted strong Q3 results, with net profit rising 15% YoY to 11,574.25 crore rupees. Revenue from operations surged nearly 18% to 41,033.01 crore rupees, reflecting the company's steady growth. Total income, including other earnings, reached 41,085.66 crore rupees, highlighting continued financial stability. The broader markets lagged behind the benchmarks today. The Nifty Midcap 100 declined 1.26%, while the Small-Cap 100 slipped 0.3%. This dip highlights cautious sentiment in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling pressure across market segments. Gold eased 0.2% to $2,860 after hitting a record $2,882.16. Trade tensions and geopolitical concerns keep bullion's upward momentum intact, with analysts eyeing $3,000 soon. PVR Inox posted a 177% surge in net profit to 36 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, beating expectations after two loss-making quarters. Revenue rose 11% YoY to 1,717.3 crore rupees. The firm added 77 screens, exited 67, and plans to open up to 110 more this fiscal, operating 1,728 screens across 111 cities. SBI's Q3 FY25 net profit surged 84.32% YoY to 16,891 crore rupees, with operating profit up 15.81% at 23,551 crore rupees. Credit grew 13.49% YoY, while deposits rose 9.81%. NII increased 4.09%, and NIM stood at 3.01%. Bharti Airtel posted a 460.9% YoY jump in Q3 net profit to 16,134.6 crore rupees, with revenue rising 19.08% to 45,129.3 crore rupees. Despite strong results, shares closed 2.32% lower at 1,621 rupees and 90 paise. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.